Today, I'm going to show you how to combine videos on Instagram Reels. Whether you want to create a fun montage or share a longer story, it's super easy to do, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Once you're in, tap on the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen to create a new post and then select Reel. Now you're in the Reel sections. You'll see the options to record a video or upload audio clips from your gallery. Select the first video you want to choose. You can also choose multiple videos like this and click on next. And this is how you can combine your clips. Also, you can edit your video and choose which clip you want at first by dragging like this. You can rearrange the clips and also edit which part you don't want by clicking on it and splitting and simply deleting the part you don't need like this. You can also add music and also add various effects. And once everything looks good, tap on next to proceed. You can also add caption, and that's all there is to it to combine videos on Instagram Reels.